YouTube. This here is my random oil can collection. This, when I first started my garage, I shouldn't say started, when I first built a garage for my Austin Minis, I was using a 3-in-1 oil can. I think I bought this one right here. And then somehow it turned into not an obsession. I only own a few of them, but I got this one with a adjustable handle. There's no name on it. This one, I think a friend gave me, there's still oil in it. This one's made in the USA. It's an Eagle brand. This is another Eagle brand. It's actually in pretty good shape. This one, these three, 1, 2, 3. When I bought a box of, oh no, I bought the Chaz Parker vise, and the guy threw in all kinds of stuff, and he threw this big monstrosity in. I don't know who makes this either. There's no name on it. It's a little beat up. It works. There's a Noera made in USA. I don't know if you could see that. This one, I don't really collect oil cans. I just kind of find them. This is a Westco one. It says Beeham, England. It looks ugly. It's horrible. I haven't cleaned it. I think the antique guy, a friend of mine, I got it off of him. It's similar to this one. This is a H&B Chicago. And then every now and then when I go to the VA hospital in Vermont, I find little tiny ones. I see them for like $5 or $6, and believe it or not, I plan on filling them all with oil and using them all. They're actually pretty cool. This one works, and numerous occasions that I picked up some of these, I've spilled oil all over my car because they're driving around, they just flip over. But yeah, I think this one still has oil in it. Let's see. Come on, I know you got oil in it. I think there's molasses in this one. This one's empty. This one had oil, I think, and it spilled all over my car. This one might. So, yeah, if you like oil cans, I've never in my life thought I'd collect oil cans, but I don't really collect them. Like I don't buy them. I see them all the time, but if I see one for like $5 or $6, I'll pick it up. I noticed online a lot of people seem to get these Eagle brand ones, which seem pretty cool. I don't know. I got to check the angle on this thing. Yeah, I guess you could see it pretty good. You can't really see this one right here. This Eagle one here, yeah. So yeah, I bought a few. Like this one, I did the video and I used it on the milling machine. It's always falling off because it's getting empty. I don't know if there's a specific oil I'm supposed to be using, but they're good to get in hard to get places. I haven't the slightest clue what the hell I'm gonna do with this one. Like I said, it was given to me and it works. I think this one also spilled oil all over my car, or in the back. I might repaint this, but I have, like, this one's cool. It's like super tiny and miniature. I don't know, I like small stuff. I have a tiny British car. I have lots of miniature tools and stuff. So, anyway, that's my little short, I don't know, how many I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. My 12 collection oil can thing, which is not really a collection, I still use them.